Hello and welcome to Fabulous Ideas, and in this video I have another great item here that I want to open and show you. So let's get on with opening this box and I want to show you what's inside. So let's have a look what's in the box. So come down with me if you can. There we go. So here in this box, I actually have some incense sticks. This was something I used to use a long time ago. I actually don't use them anymore, and now I have got back into them, and I actually do favour incense sticks, to tell you the truth, because they're more of a natural way to bring smell back into your home. And these are sandalwood, and I've got purchased these from Amazon, and there's actually a pack in here, and I don't know how many you get in the pack. They're actually 6 tubes with I think 20 inside each of them, so that was a good buy actually. And I can actually smell the sandalwood from here, and we're not even burning yet, so we're off to a good start. Now, every incense sticks, you obviously have that problem with where am I going to put it to burn it away, and I actually purchased with it an incense stick holder. I liked this one, and I'll tell you why I like this one. Let's just get it open. I like this one because it's stainless steel, so it's very easy to clean. Not only that, this actually looks very attractive in any home. So, and you have these lovely holes in here, if you can see, and that's where all your smoke and all your fumes will come out. And if you have a look, can you see those tiny little holes there? That is where your incense sticks will be held in place, and then you will just put the lid back on and then light up. Now, I'll just see how many you have. 5 in there, but you don't have to burn them all at once, so you know, at your preference. So we know whatever you desire, you can burn as many as you like, but 5 is your maximum. So yes, this is a great way. Let me bring you back up with me here. So yes, this is a great way of making your home smell nice, and also I like it because, for me personally, this is my preference, because it does have a more of a natural way of making your home smell lovely throughout the day. And with incense sticks, as you probably know, there are many different aromas that you can choose from. I picked sandalwood because it's something that I've had before. I also like a lot of musk. There's also rose. There's all different types that you can get. So yes, so I prefer it to air freshener. I prefer it to things that you plug in. It's just, I find this more of a natural way of, and I must say, it does keep your house smelling nice for longer. So yes, this is a lovely holder. I'll put the links down below because I got both of these from Amazon, and they're not that expensive. So, you know, reasonably priced ways of making your home smell nice. So yeah, so don't mind me, it's just coffee time at the moment, so I'm just having a bit of coffee now, coffee break. So now let's see this in motion. I'm going to open my sticks. Let's have a look what we have so we can see. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to do about 3 of these. So I'm just going to be placing them like one here. And they really stand up really well in this, so I'm really happy with that. It's always good to have a great holder when you're doing this. I have my matches, and please don't play with matches at home. So there we go. And let's light these up. So we're just going to light these up. I can really smell them from here, and it's amazing because they're not even on at the moment. So, you know, you do let them burn for a bit if you haven't done incense sticks before. You have to let them burn a little bit just to, you see like that one is already ready. That's, oh yes it is lighting up. Right, so we're going to just put this in there. And I don't know whether you can see, there is the smoke coming out. So I am going to be placing it here in my home, and you know, this is what happens, and you just let this aroma come out and the room starts to smell. Oh, that lovely smell of sandalwood is amazing. So that lovely smell of sandalwood is really, you know, infusing, it's coming out. I don't know whether you can see the smoke there coming out. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see. That's what this video is about today. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, please like, and also make any comments down below. So great ideas for making your room smell lovely throughout the day.